Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the 3 top odor eliminators that really work. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag. The Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag is a reliable solution for tackling odors in small spaces without masking them with fragrances. Activated charcoal acts like a magnetic sponge, drawing in and trapping odors from the air rather than covering them up. It works exceptionally well in tight areas like closets, bathrooms, cars, cabinets, or near litter boxes, essentially any space up to 90 square feet. The bag also helps control moisture levels, which is key to preventing musty smells caused by dampness. Its simple linen design and built-in grommet make it easy to hang or tuck away neatly wherever odor is a problem. Poo-Pourri Before You Go Toilet Spray. This is a clever and effective way to keep your bathroom smelling clean and fresh. A light blend of lemon, bergamot, and lemongrass creates a barrier on the toilet water surface. Just spritz 3 to 5 times into the toilet bowl before you go, and it traps odors beneath the water before they can escape. Instead of covering up bad smells, this spray stops them at the source, leaving the bathroom just as fresh as when you entered. Up to 70 applications are possible with each tiny bottle, which looks beautiful when shown to guests. Perfect for using in home restrooms or packing in your backpack for use in public restrooms. Febreze Fabric Refresher Extra Strength Spray. The Febreze Fabric Extra Strength addresses odors deeply ingrained in your home's textiles. This spray provides a simple fix for items that cannot be washed, such as a couch, pillow, gym bag, or even a beloved stuffed animal. Just mist until the cloth is moist, allow it to dry, and savor the lingering freshness. It is a terrific addition to your weekly cleaning regimen for a cleaner, fresher-smelling home because it works exceptionally well on hard-to-clean items. Which is the best? The Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag is the best odor eliminator since it is long-lasting, fragrance-free, and works without any sprays or refills. It is also the best since it is effective and reusable, making it a go-to solution that works in just about any room. Thanks for watching.